Hey guys, welcome to the next part of integrating social media tools. In this part, we are going to work with integrating a Twitter account feed. So you should recognize the Twitter icon there. The text that accompanies this lesson, um, the steps once again do not match with our social media steps because, as you all know, technology changes. So we're going to work through this, and it's pretty similar to the what we did with Facebook. Not a whole lot of changes other than getting the information from the site. We will be actually creating the widget rather than using the pre-made one from twitter.com. So our link that we're supposed to go to in our browser, twitter.com/about/resources/widgets. I'll show you how that does not work anymore. So as we're looking here at the e-text, we will go ahead and click on the link. You'll see that we're redirected, and that is definitely not what we were looking for. So because of the changes made, what I had to do was to actually create a Twitter account. Yeah, I might be one of the last people on the planet Earth to create one, but I got it done, and now we can go ahead and do the profile widget that we want to do for our Cengage brain, and we'll add another one just so you can see the ease of it. So let's go ahead and I will switch pages here. Alright, so now once you get your account created, you'll see there's a spot here for widgets. Click on widgets, and I've already created this, but I can show it to you now. What I did is add the Cengage Brain tweet name here. So that's their login name. So once you can see a preview here once you save it, and then your code is down here at the bottom, which you can just copy and paste and put into the website, which we will do. So we'll go ahead and add this one now. Into our index.html file, and we'll just go ahead and replace what we had done earlier with our Facebook section. So let's go ahead and take a look at it now, and we'll replace that code with our new code. Okay, down here in our figure element, we're just going to take out the Facebook code that we put in earlier. So let's go here to the end of this line. And I'll delete that. Sorry about that, I better hit the right line here. Okay, now I've deleted from our figure class, and I will add the new code we just got from Twitter. Let's save that. And we should see the changes in our index.html page. Let's go ahead and switch over to that. Okay, back here on our page, you'll see that we had our feed here from Facebook on IMDb. What we changed in our code just now was to remove our like and share widget over here, and we're going to replace it with the Cengage Twitter widget that we just created. So let's go ahead and refresh, and you should see that change take effect pretty quick. And there we go. We have a functioning widget for our Cengage. You see if you hover over the tweets, you can tell where it's from. Now we'll add another one just for fun, and we'll put it here in our main text area. So let's go ahead and go back to Twitter and create another widget. Alright, so I'll select widgets again. We'll create new. And we'll just make one up. We'll say iHeartRadio. I'm sure they have one. At least we hope. Alright, maybe not. Let's go ahead and see if we can find that real quick. Or I could just look up here and see that I cannot spell heart. I'm guessing if we change to proper spelling, we'll get it to work. Alright. There we go. That looks a lot better. So now we hit create widget, and we should get our code down here. We'll copy this code, and we'll paste it back into our HTML file. Okay, we're going to put this in the main text area just like we did earlier. Paste the code here. We will save, go back to our page and see what happens. Alright, we should see that information go right below here. Let's go ahead and hit refresh. And just like we expected, there is our tweet widget in our main text area. Guys, that's it for integrating a Twitter account feed. I hope, like I said, there were some issues just because technology changes, so our social media websites have changed the way they do things, but we've got it worked out. So if you got yours to work, great job, and if not, just go back and see if you can find your mistake using the video. Take care and have a great one, guys.